morning student. This is the class for 7th standard, subject social and topic name is civics first lesson equality. Okay, so in equality lesson we have already seen what is equality and also types of equality. Last class we have seen gender equality and human dignity. Okay, but today we are going to see about equality of opportunity and education. Okay, what are all the opportunity given to the education and also in equality. First, all individuals chances receive education. Okay, all individuals has the chances. Okay, to receive their education. Okay, we are the human citizen. Okay, we are the citizens of India. We have the full rights. And also we have the full opportunity in getting education. Okay, and similarly opportunity to develop their personality. Okay, like education we have the similar opportunity in personality development. Okay, next we need equality and equal treatment in society. Okay, we have to treat the people equally, then only the treatment of equality will get. Okay, in the society. Next, if we treat equality, we can earn respect and dignity. Okay, if we treat some other person equally means this is the chance. Okay, we can earn. Okay, we can able to develop our ways. We can get respect and dignity. Okay, if anybody we can treat equally means those are giving equal opportunities. Okay, that person can develop their respect and also dignity. Dignity we already know that. Okay, self-respect. Okay, next topic is equality in Indian Constitution. Okay, what are all the articles given for equality in our Indian Constitution? Okay, first, all countries have guaranteed about equality. Okay, all countries having equality in their constitution. Okay, likewise, Indian Constitution of India guaranteed equality of all the citizens under the article from 14 to 18. Okay, like other countries, our Indian Constitution also having equality about equality of laws. Okay, under the article from 14 to 18. Okay, we are going to see about articles in the prescribed in the Indian Constitution. Okay, first Article 14, guarantee to all the people equality before law. Okay, this article deals with all the people will be equally treated under the law. Okay, equality before law. Next, Article 15 deals with prohibition of discrimination. Okay, discrimination means we will not discriminate any person under these categories, caste wise, religion wise, okay, and also sex wise. We will not discriminate any person. Next, Article 16 provides equality of opportunity in matters to employment. Okay, we have to give full opportunity, full equality in the public employment. Okay. Next, Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability. Untouchability, we already know that. Okay, we will not discriminate any person under the high status person. Okay, low status person. Okay, we discriminate panakudiyadhu. Theendamai, untouchability means theendamai. Okay, so this article only deals with untouchability. Next, Article 18 abolishes the titles conferred to citizen. Okay, so this means we will only title mean pattam yaar kudupangana military officers and also any education persons only they will get titles. Okay, and all the citizens will not get any kind of titles. Okay, matta citizens la endha kudukka pattangala kudukka only military persons and also educated person only get that titles. Okay, next, equality before law and equal protection of law. Okay, these are the two articles. Okay, so strengthen our Indian Constitution under the Article 21. Okay, these are the two important objectives. Okay, which will strengthen our Indian Constitution and also under the Article 21. Okay, next topic is we can promote equality by. Okay, what are all the ways to promote our equality in society? Okay, first, treating all fairly. Okay, all the people should be treated fairly. Fairly means and also equally. நேர்மையா எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணணும் ட்ரீட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், creating an inclusive culture. Okay, so inclusive means all the persons should have the freedom to follow the culture and also religious. Next, ensuring equal access to opportunities. Okay, we have to give full opportunities in any types. Okay, we have to equally give opportunities for all the peoples. Next, enabling to develop full potential. Okay, we have to give chances for the potential peoples. Okay, capacity people. making laws and policies. Okay, in making laws and also policies, we have to give opportunities, full opportunities for the society. Next, education. Okay, so in education also we have to give full opportunity for the peoples. Okay, and also students or any person, we have to give full opportunity in education. Okay, next we are going to finish this lesson. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Okay, if we take India, means India is the largest country in the world. Okay, and equality and justice, the pillars of democracy. Okay, so equality and justice will be the pillar. Pillar means தூண். Okay, இது என்னது தூண் மாதிரி சொல்றாங்க நம்ம democracy countryக்கு. Next, justice can be achieved by treating people equality. Okay, okay, when will be the justice will be achieved means when all the person will treat equality. Okay, all the people should be treated equally, then only the justice will be achieved. Okay, next, equality is important to provide dignity of individuals. Okay, so equally, if we treat the people equally, okay, it will provide dignity of the individuals. Okay, dignity means self-respect. Okay, it will provide self-respect to any individuals, they are telling. Next, equality is the principles for the society to function. Okay, so equality is the most important in the society to run. Okay, so equality is the main principle for running the society, they are telling, to function the society. Okay, thank you students.